Kizito, you can speak now.
Okay, thank you. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
So I'm trying to share the screen with my mobile. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Lady, now unmute your mic and speak.
Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Joanne, and I am a member of Group 6. Summer Queen has already done us the honors of introducing all the members of the group, so I'll just dive into my part of presentation. We were asked to build an AI agent that serves as a career guidance for students, job seekers, graduates, and career changers. So we have been able to, by God's grace, we did an amazing job creating this AI. I'm not going to talk much. I would allow Kizito to walk us through this journey. So Kizito, over to you.
All right. Good evening, everyone. Okay, so the product we built is called Pathfinder AI. Just like my team member said, it helps to guide students, career job seekers on how to make informed decisions of their career choices. So if you are a new graduate that is going into a particular career path, or you are trying to pivot from a particular career to another, this AI helps you to give you guidelines on what to do and your decisions and the decisions to make. So Pathfinder AI, this is how it works. You open the site, and the first thing that you need to do as a user is to input your informations, educational background, as well as your skills and strengths. So I'm going to be working as someone who graduated from the university as a human physiologist and is trying to go into the tech field, pivot into the tech field. So this person has a bachelor degree on human physiology, and on the current career status, he clicked on employed but seeking career change stroke pivot. So he's trying to pivot into a new and different career. But currently, he's working as a classroom teacher, teaching mathematics in class, and has an experience of 1 to 3 years. So after this, he clicks on the next, which goes to the skills, and strengths. And in the skills and strength, you also need to impute some information here. And what are your skills? Now, this person has already developed a little skills on Figma, how to make use of Figma, and how to do prototyping. He types this down, Figma, just like all these are actually ready just to save time. He types this down and click on add. It adds it to the
Network.
He said, as well, experience as a teacher. And what are these experience? Problem solving, critical thinking, and attention to details. So like I said, all these have been typed just to save time. But needed to do is when you type, you click on add to add it here. You can see it over here. Then what about interest and passion? What interest does he have? Specifically, he was direct to the point. His interest is on UI, UX. Then after this particular page, he clicks on next to go to your goals. And what are the goals? He's asking the primary career goals, said he's transiting into product design. Then preferred work style. What work style was it preferred? Is it hybrid? Is it remote? Is it on site? He clicks on hybrid, which is both on site and online. Then target salary. You put your target salary range, and as well as tell them there's the AI, your level. Are you a senior person in this field or a junior person in this field? But on this case, this is a mid-level product designer. The little skills, because he was doing self-learning. Target location, Nigeria and remote. What about preference industry? He's having it because he has a background in education with experience and as well as background in the health field. So his preference in this tech, he wants to be focusing on anything that is related to education, ed tech, and as well as health tech. Then you click on generate for the AI to generate guidance and information for
Zito, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
You're not saying anything, no?
Oh, you're not hearing me?
Yes. For like, let's
Okay,
say.
can you hear me now? All right. So I said I clicked on generate. So for the AI to analyze the information I imputed. So the AI has analyzed it, and these are the information it gave. So these are select career paths to explore. Now the individual can select this career paths to explore, or go down to this career path, UI/UX product design, or health tech product designer, UI/UX researcher, and interaction architect. So let's look at this particular one. So this particular one that is already selected, which is the UI/UX product designer. Now this is the roadmap to it, the UI/UX product design. So each of those categories, these categories listed here, will give you a roadmap, and the roadmap is the things that the person needs to do in a particular duration of time to achieve these set goals as a product designer. So for the UI/UX product design, this is the roadmap. So your background in mathematics institution equips you with structured logic empathy for learners. Now, these are the information. So he said core key strength, key responsibility. The core key responsibility, what he needs to do is to create wireframe. He has the responsibility of creating wireframes as well as user flows, then conduct user research and collaborate with developers and all that. Then you have the step. These are from step 1 to step 3. You have step 4. Step 4 required means is asking for required skills and qualification. Now, what are required skills and qualification? Figma, he has a skill. He has he has mastered Figma, or is trying to master Figma, or telling the person how to that is going to master Figma, the use of Figma, and as well as knowing how to do interaction prototyping, wireframing, as well as design system. Then what about the soft skills that this individual needs to get? Empathy, analytical reasoning, communication, and detail orientation. Then step 6, entry level and job roles. So if you are trying to look for a job, what are the target job titles you should be looking at for? Junior product designers, associate UI/UX designer, or UX design intern. Then if the individual wants to work as a freelance, what is the person expected to do? He said he should redesign localized educational portals, and as well as freelance landing page and app design. So these are just as a freelance, the individual is expected to design this and put it in his portfolio to help boost his visibility. Step 4, recommended courses and certification. These are courses that the AI recommended for this individual to go through, as well as with duration too, for this individual to go through them. So this is not all that this AI can do. The individual can also upload his CV information and click on optimize resume. So for the AI to generate and also give you this information. So apart from the education, information, and strength that that you can impute, you can also impute your CV to achieve this. Then one striking thing about this AI, or one advantage about this AI that this AI has, was it also prepares this individual, giving them interview questions, potential questions that this individual might possibly face when he's going for an interview on AI, UI UX. So you impute the target interview role and click on simulate. The AI is generating the interview questions. So let's wait for it to generate. Please, let's give it time for it to generate. So while we're waiting for it, there's also a chat here. There's also a chat by the side. This chat is you are chatting with AI. Now the AI is going to be responding to you also based on the information you imputed from the user profile. All right, it has generated interview questions. So you have a background as a classroom mathematics teacher. Why are you transitioning?
Thank you, Kizito, if you can hear me. Thank you.
Okay. All right, sir.
Super presentation right there. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I think this product, it's a universal product. You guys should think of a way to put it out there and get more people to to use it. Thank you. Thank you. Please, for those of you on YouTube, give us 3 minutes. We're going to be right back for the next group. Thank you so much. All right.